Hi everyone, I'm Caroline from CTECHi. Today I would like to give you a brief introduction about our factory. CTECHi was established in 2005, specialized in left-pupil battery pack customization solutions, which could be replaced lead-acid batteries used in different applications, such as marine, RV, golf carts, go-karts, backup power, and home energy systems. With equipped different certificates and reports such as UL, ISO, CE, IEC, CB, PSE, etc. So far, CTECHi has owned 2 production bases. One is located in Shenzhen, Guangdong Province, which is the place we are standing here today. One is located in Hunan Province. Hi guys, this is the workshop in our Shenzhen production base. Follow me, let us to see how to make the battery pack. As we know, before making battery pack, all the cells are required to be sorted according to the voltage and the internal resistance to ensure the constancy of the battery pack assembly. After cell sorting, it is necessary to paste installation adhesive paper on the battery to prevent short circuits in the process of spot welding. Then we usually assemble the battery pack according to the series and the parallel configuration of the battery cells and spot welding. After finishing welding, the next step is to assemble with the BMS. During the production, we will check whether the parameters of the battery cells and the batteries are qualified. The following step is to shrink the battery pack with PVC sleeve. Then we will get a battery pack with PVC like this. Then all this battery will be moved to the testing room to do the aging test to simulate the customer's real use application. Once all the battery packs be finished aging test, they will be shipped back to the production line to be assembled with battery cases and sealed with glue. Next, it is necessary for label. Finally, we will use the UN carton for packaging and delivery. Hi guys, what's the first impression when see our workshop? If there are any type of batteries you may be interested in, now it is time to contact us. Our free battery pack solutions with the detailed parameters can be available. See you next time!